Hello everyone! I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa mga nararamdaman sa mga kababaihan. I-discuss natin ang tungkol sa why does my monthly period smelly or bad smell like a rotten fish? It's natural for a woman and menstrual period or monthly period to have a slight smell. But if you notice, if the smell is out of ordinary, you may need to see a doctor. Malalaman mo naman yan kung ano ang natural na amoy or kung ano yung hindi na siya tama na amoy ng menstrual period natin. Menstruation involves shedding your uterine lining, isang hindi fertilized na itlog at dugo. Natural lang sa babae na magkaroon ng bahagyang amoy ang menstrual period natin or regla natin sa buwan-buwan. This most likely relates to the vaginal substance itself, but bacteria and acidity can also be involved. Periods odors usually are not noticeable to others. Hindi yan mapapansin o maaamoy ng ibang tao, pero ikaw ang nakakaamoy. Kaya kung sa tingin mo ay iba ang amoy, kailangan mong i-improve ang proper hygiene. If you are always maintaining proper hygiene, ay maaaring mabawasan ang amoy sa panahon ng women's monthly period. Other cases, if there is unusual smell, an unusual or unexpected odor may be a symptoms of infection. Like changes in discharge katulad ng mas dumami ang discharges previously or having a pelvic pain can help to identify the underlying cause. If you smell like death or rotten fish smell, and sometimes there is strong smells, is due to the blood and tissues na lumabas sa vagina kasama ang bacteria kaya mabaho siya or smelly. Kung hindi ka pa mag-proper hygiene, changing always the napkin or pads frequently and always maintain personal hygiene can help. May ibang women, sinasabi nila ang period or menstruation nila ay like fishy smell. You have to see a doctor. Usually, fishiness smell are indicate a medical condition. Either you may have a bacterial vaginosis if there is fishy smell during menstruation, lalo pag may mga yellow discharges or white, gray vaginal discharges. Proper hygiene habits can help, like regular showers or baths are also important. Proper hygiene talaga ang kailangan. Experts don't recommend deodorizing such as wipes and sprays because of possibility of irritation. No to douches also can get rid of a healthy vaginal bacteria and lead to infection. Avoid using scented tampons products. Instead, use unscented products and wear loose and clothing underwear to keep away the unpleasant odor. Kasi kung masikip ang sinusuot mo, lalo yan siyang magmumuwi sa loob at ang amoy lalo siyang magiging strong. If you have unusual odors during menstruation with unusual heavy vaginal discharges, accompanied by abdominal pain or pelvic pains, and severe cramps and fever, you need to see or consult an OB/GYN or an health expert. Habang ang karamihan sa mga amoy ay malusog, ang ilan ay maaaring mga symptoms ng infection. Kung may kakaibang nararamdaman sa sarili, magpatingin agad sa mga health experts kasi lagi kong sinasabi prevention is better than cure. Remember guys, health is wealth. Hanggang dito na lang tayo sa topic natin. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video natin. At kung may gusto kayong itanong dito sa topic na ito, comment lang below. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Hindi ako magsasawang magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo lahat. May God bless us. Thank you for watching!